as we walk in nature, we should look and think about all what God has created around us. See the beautiful trees, all the birds, people, and smell the air that you breathe. God, in His wisdom, has taken His time to give us in nature all what we need to survive. When I stop and think about the beauty of His work, it brings peace to my mind. The Lord has spent His time and thoughts thinking about all the good things that He can create to give joy to mankind. Even in a world that is fallen, we can still see and appreciate the beauty of God's creation. Let us all stop and enjoy what God has created for us. As we walk in nature, let us all remember that God, in His wisdom, in His love for us, has taken His time to come down to this world, to live a life that is without sin, a pure and holy life, one that we can all claim through His grace. He have left all the riches, the majesty and power in heaven, and has came down to this world to die for our sins, so that we may have a chance at eternal life. He has given us all that we need so that we can see His glory. He has brightened up our life, and He has shown us the magnificent beauty of His power and majesty in all His work. As we look and explore the wonders of nature, we can see the Lord, our magnificent God. He is strong and mighty and powerful and great in all His ways. Let us take time as we walk in nature to appreciate the love of God.